The 2012 Nirbhaya incident in Delhi led to a somber realization that serious steps are needed to ensure the safety of women and children in public transport across the country. The committee set up under Justice J.S. Verma post the Nirbhaya incident recommended fitment of tamper-proof GPS-based vehicle location tracking (VLT) system and emergency buttons in public transport vehicles to enhance the safety of women passengers. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, headed by Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari, stepped in to standardize the specification of VLT and emergency button across the country by bringing out AIS 140 standards. Through changes in Central Motor Vehicles Rules 1989, fitment of vehicle location tracking, VLT devices and emergency button were mandated in public transport. Government of India under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 15th January 2020 stepped in with a path-breaking scheme on development, customization, deployment and management of state-wise vehicle tracking platform for safety and enforcement as per AIS 140 specifications in all the states or union territories under Nirbhaya framework. Under this scheme, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways is supporting the states or union territories in setting up the monitoring centers by providing the funds under the Nirbhaya framework to implement the vehicle location tracking system and to ensure safe commute for women and children in public passenger transport vehicles. The monitoring centers will be used to track all public transport vehicles fitted with vehicle location tracking devices and emergency buttons for raising an alert in case of emergency to enhance the safety of women and children. Cloud services will be provided by the National Informatics Center (NIC), which will provide a combined systemic ecosystem of hosting the application and improve the interoperability of the system. The AIS 140 compliant vehicle location tracking system fitted with emergency buttons will periodically send the vehicle location, health status, alerts and other data to the monitoring center, which will also share this data with the state ERSS. The monitoring centers in each state and union territory monitor, alert and respond to distress calls through a standard operating procedure (SOP) as defined by the respective state or union territory. The system is versatile, wherein transport officials can enhance road safety by monitoring vehicle operating characteristics like overspeeding, harsh braking, harsh acceleration, route adherence, etc. The groundbreaking project has met with an enthusiastic response from 31 states and union territories, evincing interest in availing the funds. Out of these 31 states and union territories, funds have been disbursed and an MOU has been signed by 30 states and union territories. Bihar, Puducherry and Himachal Pradesh are leading the way by commissioning the monitoring centers, with Meghalaya, Nagaland and Sikkim to soon follow. Remaining states and union territories are also working hard to implement the system. This scheme reflects the commitment of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, steered by Shri Nitin Gadkari, to enhance the safety of women and children in public transport and support the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to empower women to travel freely and contribute to the development of our country.